Eating pears can provide various health benefits due to their nutritional content. Here are some of the advantages of including pears in your diet. Rich in nutrients. Pears are a good source of essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. These nutrients contribute to overall health and well-being. Dietary fiber. Pears are high in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Fiber promotes digestive health by preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. It can also help manage weight by promoting a feeling of fullness. Antioxidant properties. Pears contain antioxidants such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which help neutralize free radicals in the body. This can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, contributing to the prevention of chronic diseases. Heart health. The potassium content in pears can contribute to heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure. Adequate potassium intake is associated with a lower risk of stroke and other cardiovascular diseases. Weight management. Due to their high fiber content and relatively low calorie count, pears can be a satisfying snack that supports weight management. The fiber helps control appetite and reduces the likelihood of overeating. Blood sugar regulation. The fiber content in pears may help regulate blood sugar levels. Soluble fiber can slow down the absorption of sugars, potentially benefiting individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Improved digestive health. The combination of fiber and water in pears supports digestive health. It can prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut environment by supporting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Hydration. Pears have a high water content, contributing to overall hydration. Staying well hydrated is essential for various bodily functions, including skin health, temperature regulation, and nutrient transport. Bone health. Pears contain minerals like copper and boron, which are associated with bone health. These minerals play a role in bone formation and maintenance. Skin health. The vitamin C content in pears contributes to skin health by supporting collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing signs of aging. It's important to note that the benefits of eating pears are part of a balanced and varied diet. Including a variety of fruits and vegetables in your daily meals provides a wide range of nutrients necessary for optimal health.